Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be following Brad Mondo's tutorial on how to cut men's hair. Drew, this is Drew, my boyfriend.
Hello.
And he's my dummy today.
I am a dummy.
So yeah, well, all I did was blow dry his hair so it's nice and voluminous and dry. Brad said to start with dry hair on the sides. Okay, so I have just some regular clippers that can change to different lengths. And then I have a comb and some water. And then also hair cutting scissors, because Brad said those are necessary. So I have just these ones. And then I have the ones that like the thinning shears. I also have like little clips to hold back his hair. All right, so I'm gonna start by sectioning it, I guess. Okay, one side done. Now I'll turn them around and do the other side. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so so I have sectioned it off evenly, I believe. So put your head down. So it's like somewhat of a horseshoe shape, but his hair gets so short in the back that I can't clip it up. So I'll just hope that it turns out fine. I mean,
Same.
it's short hair, it'll grow back fast if I mess it up.
Okay.
All right, so now I'm going to begin cutting. So I'm gonna set it to, it's like 9 millimeters. I don't know, I think that's equivalent to a 3-guard. And then I'm gonna start cutting, and Brad said to go up the head, off the head. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now this is the first part of the shaving done. It's a little, it's pretty even, I'd say. It's even for me never cutting hair before.
They look good.
Good. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the 7 millimeter and do the same thing, but go up to about a 1/2 inch from the top of the previous line that we made. And now I'm gonna do the 3 millimeter and go up to about 1 inch from the top of the head.
Why are you laughing still?
It's just really cool. Okay, it's not bad actually. It's just shorter than you're used to.
Okay.
Yeah, like eczema. Oh no!
I don't like that. Why are you making those sounds?
Oh, maybe I'll switch to the 5.
It's too late for that. You can't do that. You're halfway through.
I'm not. 2/3 of the way through.
Oh no.
Don't look at yourself when I leave. Hey, it'll grow back, okay?
Well, I don't like this. This is quickly becoming worse.
Okay, don't look at it. It's like so big. Okay, that's fine. Look at the back.
I can't see it.
Okay, good. Okay, now it's kind of looking, I don't know. We'll see. And now I'm gonna go in with, no guard and clean up the edges.
What's left of them?
All right, now that's the look for now. All right, now
Complete
we're gonna
with
go on to the next. You have a little bit of blood. Now we're gonna go on to the next part. Okay, the next step is to blend the edges with these blending shears. So that's what I'm gonna do. Don't know how to use them. Alright, here's the look so far. Turn, yes, other side. Very well blended, I know, except for that spot. Right? I'm kidding. Wait, turn, let me see the back though, actually. It's okay. It's not bad. Okay, upon closer inspection, I think I'm gonna leave the top like it is, because I like it long. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style it and then we can show the final result. Okay, and here is the finished look. Go ahead and show them both sides. Yes, and the back. Oh yeah. I have never cut hair in my life, so if it's uneven, I apologize. And yeah, so don't, I'm not a professional. I've never cut hair before. I just bought scissors for this purpose because I didn't want to use kitchen scissors. And Drew's my mannequin.
Dummy.
He was my mannequin for cutting hair, and yeah, so there we go. It didn't turn out. What do you think about it?
It's pretty good. I think you're hired.
All right, cool. Looks like I'm getting paid.
Whoa! Wait a second.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.